AI is something that's going to revolutionize the industry, or at least, well, revolution has a kind of a sound to the word where something is happening very quickly and it kind of takes over everything. But I don't mean a future and a scenario like that. I mean that AI is most probably going to first help us with the most routine-based tasks that we are having on board. It's going to help us humans to focus on what matters the most. It's going to give us more detailed insights on our asset condition, for example, what is going on the engine room deck, for example. So I think it depends a little bit case by case and application by application what AI is actually going to do in the semi-long term and in the future. Predictive maintenance, of course, is one thing where AI can have a good and a big effect, whereas, as you mentioned, preventive maintenance itself is very cautious. It's built on thresholds of time or usage hours, and it's based on OEMs, both expertise on their own equipment and warranty and any sort of carefulness of avoiding breakdown at all costs almost. So there is 95% of cases where we can probably reduce the need of maintenance, but there can be also 55% of maintenance tasks where we actually increase the frequency of maintenance because we observe something that actually would require attention